Alright, so I thought I'd show you one of my useless boredom ideas. Yeah, some people find these interesting. There we go. So, basically, long story short, I turned the crawler into a weed whacker. As you can see, I have the lawnmower back here, but you can only do so much with the lawnmower, so I figured if I... Jesus, throwing shit at me. And the lawnmower is kind of dangerous back here because it throws rocks and shit. So does that thing. Trying to actually get to some weeds here. There we go. Oh. I could use a better blade, which I'll show you in a sec here. But it is pretty effective. I think that's all pretty low. Yeah, can I get some of this stuff here? Oh, maybe if I come down the hill. But yeah, you can easily take out these little guys here. I did most of it with the lawnmower, and I'm surprised this isn't... I was kind of hoping I could... Yeah, there we go. Climb the hill and weed whack at the same time. Oh, stuck. It's not working quite as I planned. Here, let's try... Try coming down. I think that'll work a little better. So this is how it's supposed to work. It pushes the plant over. Oh. And then cuts it at the base. Oh, I have to squish it. It's jammed. So basically it's just a 540 motor zip tied to the rear axle with an old RD Ramstick blank as the blade. And I got that spur gear on, or pinion gear on there, just so it doesn't get so much shit wrapped around the motor there. Oh. Helps if I stay. Not sure if anyone cares, but the motor, the actual weed whacker motor, is getting single cell. So it's only getting 1S. So 4 volts or something. Nope, can't friggin' climb it. Well, that's gonna make weed whacking a lot harder if I can't... Yeah, get that big one. Yeah, see, cut it at the base. Oh, tried. I pulled to the right a little more. Nope, missed it again. Alright, I'll just go back into it then. Oh yeah, just... There we go. See, if I can get lined up, it is pretty effective. I thought maybe I was going to need a 2-cell, so like 8.4 volts for the weed whacker motor, but I mean, it chops nicely on single cell. And as you can see, it doesn't really bind up that much if you're just, you know, getting in there with the little ones. Does a pretty good job of hacking stuff up. Yeah, it's working. Oh, there we go. That time we jammed her up. Trying to keep lined up with it is harder than you would think. Oh. Oh. Oh no, I think I broke the ram stick. That's sketch. Did it actually snap? No, it's bent, but it didn't actually snap, so it's good. It's fine. If it snaps, I'm gonna be worried about it flying off. Now, let's see if I can come down. Oh, I might be able to cut this. Shit landed everywhere. See what I mean though? Like, it doesn't cut the best. It's almost like it struggles with the smaller shit because it doesn't have enough. Like, the stuff it's cutting doesn't have enough weight to just smash right through it. So it has to, like, beat it to death instead of. Oh, that one landed right in my face. Oh. Oh. Try and do like a nice slow diagonal. See if I can get that tree thingy. No, I think I missed it. Oh, got that one. Oh! Oh, that was a pine cone. Oh, so she's not happy. I need to push on the blade again. There's just like a piece of rubber spacing it out, so if it hits something hard enough, yeah, you can hear the RPMs back up again. Is that just one of my boredom ideas that kind of works? Oh. Oh, yeah, I made it angry. Need to push on the blade again. See if I can get rid of this little rose bush here. Oh. Well, that's a hard piece. Come on, get her. It's just that one stick in the middle it's having issues with, because it's like actually a piece of wood. Come on, get it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just that one stick survived. See if we can finish it off. Oh. Oh, it chopped some of it off. Now it's like pulling the root out. Yeah, it is. It's like trying to pull it out. There we go. Yeah, see the flimsy grass. It seems to have more... Because it's just like flapping away at it. And yet when you get into the slightly... Yeah. Oh, there we go. It's fine. Into the slightly stiffer stuff. Ow! Oh, I just got shot with something. Uh-oh, what happened? It jammed up. It doesn't usually do that. Oh. Oh my goodness. Is it good? I think it's good. No, it's not happy. Oh, there's a bunch of crap jammed in between the pinion gear and stuff. Yeah, can you just like work that out on your own? That's the spirit, yeah. That's why that pinion gear's there, just to help grind the shit out of the way. Yeah, beautiful. See, it's perfect. Oh! Oh, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? I think that's a piece of a train. Oh my god, I think that's a thing that actually connects the train cars together. Isn't that what that is? I think that's what that is. It's one of the things that connects the train cars together. Oh my god. Oh, what's that doing there? That's funny, I've been by this corner a few times. I never noticed that thing. See if we can clear around this tree here. Come on, I can tell you're still not happy. Oh, there we go. Come on, chew it up. There we go. You see what I mean, though? Like it seems to have an easier time with the thick stalks than it does with like the little flimsy leaves. Oh, now we're hitting the tree. There we go. Oh. Oh, they're on the other side. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, there we go. She's good again. Might have to use that as a rock crawling obstacle or something. Just like bury it halfway in the ground, kind of like it was. Oh, come on. Get it. Oh. Oh, I got it. Use the tires to turn it up. Oh. So as you can see, it turned out that the motor was actually on almost a perfect angle, so the tires protect it, like the blade, from pretty much everything. You know, unless there's a really high piece in the center. The blade's actually fairly well protected by the tires. Xena, relax. God, those hard plastic tires really dig good. The friggin' holes they're digging. we just had a little more power, or a little more tire speed. There we go. See if I can get this plant. Oh, what happened? What happened? My blade stopped. Turn it off. Oh, she got all jammed up. It should clear itself. Like I said, that's why that spur gear or pinion gear is in there, to help it clean itself. Kind of like a saw blade right against the motor shaft. Oh, got jammed up again. Yeah, it's still getting jammed up, but eventually it just grinds it into like a paste and it'll be good again. Oh, come on, you don't have to hold on to everything. There we go. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys that. Just something different. Oh, it is struggling. Oh yeah, there's a crap ton of stuff wrapped around the shaft there. It would be better if I had a separate controller, so I could throw that one in reverse. Why are you not spinning? There we go. Hey! Throw pine cones and shit at me. Yeah, being able to reverse that motor would be kind of handy just for unraveling that shit, but whatever. Like I said, it was just a temporary idea just to see if it would even work. Oh, damn it. Oh, there we go. See, it's chewing the stuff up. Can we help it? Nope, stick broke. Yeah, give her a squeeze. Slowly back down. Oh, dang it. There we go. Trying to let the blades fit up. Oh, the worst enemy, grass. I mean, it takes a while, but if I went at it long enough. Not sure how I could deal with that stuff, though. Might as well give it a try. Xena! Shut up! Jesus. Xena's in heat right now, so she's extra pain in the ass. Now, can I just slowly creep forward and leave a trail of destruction behind me? Nope. You can't even see it. No, that didn't work. Anyway, I thought you guys might enjoy that. I think it's actually good enough now. I could bring the other trucks out. Oh, that thing's jammed up again. I'll let it sit up here for a sec, see if it clears itself up. It should. It's not, but it should. Oh wow, it's really, really wound tight. Holy. Oh, there we go. A bunch of it coming off. Yeah, seems pretty good. Hey, there we go. Now it's actually like a lawnmower blade. Anyway, there's not much else to that. Is that just something different? Now I can actually cut down weeds while I'm playing around. Oh, there we go, we're good. Get that one right by the tree. Got it. Oh, not all of it though. Oh no, there's like a solid wood one left. I don't know if I can... Oh. Oh. I don't know if I can take that on. No, if it's green, it'll chop it. If it's brown... There we go. Plus it's not getting full RPM. There we go. Damn it. Every time it hits something hard though, it pops the blade and I lose all my revs. And that's hard to avoid back here. There's so many stones and sticks and just random shit. 60-pound friggin' train thingies. There's a lot of hard stuff back here to hit. Oh, don't worry if you notice my hand. It's I got into an argument with a fence. Well, I think that's about it. I need to figure out a way to stop the blade slowing down. Yeah, because I gotta do that like all the time to keep my RPMs high. So I need to... Yeah, see, there it goes again. It just hit a stone and now we've lost all our power again. Really? Really? You're gonna completely jam up like that? Yeah, I'm sure that motor's getting pretty warm by now. Yeah, it is. Don't usually run it that long. It just like seized up on its own. Oh, there it goes. Come on, chew through her. This stupid thing's not spinning again. There we go. Let that thing just free rev for a minute. Get some air through it. as it's still trying to chew shit up and seize. So anyway, hope you enjoyed something different. Good old Exceed crawler. Oh, that's something I did want to mention. Sorry if... tripped over the stump. Sorry if my last video was a little ranty. It's a bad day in general for the RCs. So, I did some research on the whole HPI thing I was talking about, and apparently they're still really common in Europe. So like England and UK, stuff like that, HPI is still pretty popular. In the States, not so much. And the same with Canada, so they're definitely not going to go out of business. I just don't see them anymore because, like I said, in Canada they don't seem to be that popular anymore. You calm down, mister. Here, we'll just back into some... Oh, back into some nasty stuff before we go here. See what we can all take out. Actually, let's do it the way we're supposed to do it, because that's how it cuts the best, in my opinion. Damn it won't just unwind. Alright. Oh, that motor's getting hot. Really? Already? You hit one stick and you're gonna... There's so much crap in there. Oh. Come on, you're supposed to be chopping these up. There we go. Oh. Oh, that's a game over. What are you doing, Mr. Controller? What the hell is your deal? Alright, this thing's starting to sketch me out. Yeah, I gotta figure out something better. Stop that blade clogging. The rest of it, for the most part, works pretty good. But yeah, like, I keep losing all my power to my blade. So I gotta improve that. The pinion gear idea worked, just not as good as I was hoping. Like, it does keep all the flingy shit off of the motor, like it's... You know what I mean? Like, there's nothing dangling off the motor shaft, it's just not close enough to actually keep it like 100% clean. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed one of my little stupid boredom projects.